Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Prism Stocks Trading Academia. Guys, this is the part 3 of our series ABCD of stock market, right? And guys, if you remember in the first part we had discussed about what is a share, why do companies issue share to public, right? How do they use the IPO option to do that, right? And we spoke about what is the demat account, what is a trading account, right? Why it is important and how can you create them. So, like I told you in the last video itself, if you want to create your own demat account, right, the link to create those are in the video description. We have got three options: Upstocks, Zerodha, and Files, because these are the ones that we use personally for our own trading. So if you also want to use one of them, then click those links and follow simple easy steps, and you can create a demat account in them as well, right? In the second video, guys, we spoke about stock exchange. What is NSE? What is BSE? What is Nifty? What is Sensex? We spoke about what is Nifty 50, right? We discussed about the different sectors into Nifty 50, and we also discussed about what are the top 50 companies that are part of those sectors, correct? And then importantly, we spoke about what is intraday trading and what is daily trading. We also went ahead and saw how can you do intraday trading or daily trading in equity cash, and how can you do intraday trading and daily trading into equity futures. So basically we have seen that how can one do trading into stock market, whether you do equity cash, whether you do equity futures, and whether you use the intraday techniques in them or whether you do daily trading in them, right? So guys, both of the videos, part 1 and part 2, are very important and very interesting. So I would strongly urge each one of you that if by any chance you have directly jumped into this video, then please go and see both the videos. The link to part 1 and part 2 is mentioned in the video description, right? Because today we are going to see a very interesting and third way of trading into stock market, that is options. But before we jump into options, right, it is always good and advised to know at least the previous basic parts, right? So go click part 1 part 2, see the videos, right, and then come back to this video. Perfect. So why waste time, let's jump in now. So guys, a big warm welcome from Prism Stocks Trading Academia. Guys, as you all know, my name is Prashant, and today we will see the third way of trading into stock market, right? That is the options. It's a very interesting way of trading, now in demand and probably favorite of many traders nowadays, right? So let's check out how do you option trade in stock market. So in the previous video, we saw equity cash, equity futures. So next is options. But guys, understanding options is not going to be that straightforward. थोड़ा tricky होता है, right? But don't worry, we got it covered. Before we understand how option works in stock market, right? Let's try to understand options from a different perspective altogether, right? So imagine that one of the properties nearby your house is on sale, right? And the owner of the property is demanding price of 10 lakhs for it, right? And many people think that this price is unfair, it's too pricey, और कोई इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हो प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने में, एंड सो आर यू. But probably having, you know, a casual conversation with one of your friends over a cup of tea the next day, you learn from him that आगे जाके उस एरिया में एयरपोर्ट बनने वाला है. एंड आपको पता है कि अगर एयरपोर्ट बन गया तो भैया प्रॉपर्टी के प्राइसेस विल गो स्काई रॉकेट, राइट? बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट ऐसी कोई न्यूज़ नहीं है मार्केट में, राइट? बट योर फ्रेंड इज अ ट्रस्टेड सोर्स, right? So what you do is that you play smart. So you go and meet the property owner and tell him that, boss, listen, I'm interested in buying the property, right? But I don't have 10 lakhs with me right now. As of now, I can pay you 1 lakh immediately, and the remaining 9 lakhs, I promise you that I'll pay in a month's time, right? Now the property owner thinks, यार वैसे भी कोई प्रॉपर्टी खरीद नहीं रहा है, एक भला आदमी मिला है प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने के लिए, राइट? तो 10 लाख भी दे भी रहा है. So he says, okay, deal, no worries. And you both enter into an agreement, you both sign a contract, right? Wherein the price of the property is fixed to 10 lakhs, right? and it says that you have already paid 1 lakh and you'll pay the remaining money, that is 9 lakhs, in 1 month, right? Which means that if even if tomorrow the prices go high, the owner of the property cannot demand any more price than 10 lakhs to you, correct? Now, जो एयरपोर्ट न्यूज़ था उसकी दो आउटकम है, राइट? ए, द न्यूज़ कुड बी राइट, and if the news is right, which means now you can actually find a buyer, right, who can pay you more than 10 lakh also, because airport का news confirm हो गया है, prices of the property are soaring up, right? And you can get into a deal wherein your only investment in the property as of now is only 1 lakh, right? So basically you can sell that 10 lakh property for 20 or 30 lakhs, wherein your investment as of now is only 1 lakh. That is your margin, correct? Now the news could be fake also. If the news is fake, you are okay to lose that 1 lakh, right? Because वैसे भी वो प्रॉपर्टी कोई 10 लाख दे नहीं रहा था, राइट? और आपको पता है कि 1 साल के अगले 5 साल भी कोई 10 लाख देगा नहीं, राइट? So you decide to sacrifice that 1 lakh to save the remaining 9 lakhs, right? So basically, if you invest that 9 lakh into something like stock market, right, in the next 5 years, that 9 lakh can become even 20, 30 lakh also, right? So you decide to sacrifice that 1 lakh to save a 9 lakh, right? Now, जैसे ही वो end of the month आ रहा है, right, the owner is calling you. Either you pick up the phone, nor you go and meet him, right? So after 1 month, the contract is over, right? Now, the owner keeps that 1 lakh because for him it is profit, and he still owns that land, which means now he can still sell that land to somebody else. Guys, this is options. So basically in options, you predict, you speculate for future price movements, right? And if the price moves in your direction, you earn handsomely, and if it does not, you lose your premium, correct? Now let's understand options. Now let's go back to options from stock market perspective. But before we do that, you need to understand that options are further broken into two parts, that is your call option and your put option, right? So basically ये क्या है? So if you're bullish on any particular stock, right, you take the call option, and if you're bearish, you take the put option. Basically हम CE and PE की बात कर रहे हैं, right? We're talking about the C option and P option. Now let's take an chart example to understand the call and put movements, right? So what you see on the screen right now is the equity chart of Reliance, right? Reliance equity. So let's assume that right now, today is 16th August 2021 and the time is 10:45, right? And the current price of Reliance equity at 10:45 is 2136. Now you've done your level markings, you have your indicators in place, and you feel that probably Reliance is going to jump up, right? And since you feel that Reliance is going to jump up, and that is basically a bullish on Reliance. And that is why you choose one of the options, that is Reliance 2300 CE, to trade. So 30th September that you see on the in the red box is basically the expiry. Remember I told you all future expires on the last Thursday of every month. So do the options, right? So options also will expire, right, on 30th September 2021. All options picked up in this month. Now guys, don't be confused, right? Because we are assuming that we are in 16th August 2021. So अगर हम अगस्त मंथ की बात करें तो लास्ट थर्सडे ऑफ अगस्त मंथ was 26th of August. So if we would have been in the month of August, then it would be Reliance 26 August 21 2300 CE, right? So please don't get confused, right? So coming back, so at 11 p.m, right, for this option 2300 CE, you are seeing that the price of this option is 18 rupees, right? And you know that based on your markings that market is going to go up, Reliance is going to go up, right? So you decide to trade. Told you about lots, right? So even in options, you have to purchase in terms of lots. Now Reliance one lot is 250, which means that if you enter into a trade, if you buy the options, you are basically paying 18 rupees for each of those 250 shares, right? Just 4,500 rupees, right? So like I told you, we're looking at Reliance 2300 CE, right? Now at 11:30, that is 30 minutes later, right? The market moved exactly what you predicted. The market jumped up from 18 to 38, right? Which means now your price of the shares jumped from 4,500 rupees to 9,500 rupees, which means now if you close the position, right, you have booked a whopping profit of 5,000 in just 30 minutes. Now if you had thought that probably instead of Reliance going up, right, the Reliance price will fall, that means you are bearish on Reliance, then in this case, instead of buying option CE, you would have bought some options PE, right, and would have traded into that. And if the market falls, you would have made again an amazing profit. Clear? Now, some key points to remember. Now you are the option buyer. So whether you take a call or a put option, that is CE or PE, if there is a loss, then loss is at max your premium you paid, right? Eventually it will end up being zero, right? But if the prices go up, right, profit is mind blowing. Now option seller, right? Profit is always limited to the premium paid while buying. Now guys, understand that if you are the seller, right, and somebody bought the options from you, right, remember that person while buying the option has only paid you the premium, and if he loses, he loses the premium, which means that his premium is your gain. Remember the example which you took, wherein the prices did not go up of the property, so you lost that 1 lakh, right? But that 1 lakh was profit of the seller, and that's exactly what I'm trying to tell you over here. The profit of the seller will be the premium paid while buying. But if the prices go up, losses can be unlimited. Exactly. If the price of the property would have gone up, right, the loss of the seller was unimaginable. Correct? So, quick question. Good to be buyer or seller? Because if you're buyer, you only lose the premium, right? And profit can be unimaginable. But as seller, you only get to keep the profit, and losses are unimaginable, right? So all those guys who are saying buyers, it's good to be buyers, let me tell you that it is the option seller who makes money 90% of the time. Surprised? It's because of something called as time decay or premium meltdown, right? So guys, the time decay and premium meltdown is not part of this video. It's an advanced concept, but do let me, if you want me to make a video on this, we'll surely take it up, right? So I hope now guys, the options, how option works in stock market is clear, right? So let's do a quick summary, right? IPO. So if a company wants to issue shares to public, it has to do it through IPO, right? If you want to buy or sell shares, you can do it through demat and trading account, right? We spoke about NSE and BSE. NSE is your National Stock Exchange, BEC is your Bombay Stock Exchange, Nifty is the index of NSE, and Sensex is the index of BSE, right? Intraday and daily trading, buy today, sell today, close position, that is intraday, buy today, you don't close but you hold, that's your delivery trading, right? So equity cash, equity futures, and options. So you can do intraday trading and delivery trading in all of these three. Great, perfect. So guys, please, if you love this video, if you think that this video has helped you a lot, it has answered a lot of questions to you, right, please like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because we promise you are going to make a lot of more interesting videos like this in future, right? Don't forget to hit the bell because you don't want to miss the video, right? And like I told you guys, please share your comments. If you have any questions, please ask them. We'll be more than happy to answer them. And in fact, if you want us to make any video on any particular topic or subject, please let us know that in the comment section as well. We'll definitely try to make one on that. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Take care and bye bye. I'll see you in the next video.